Today, we're going to do an unboxing of the Motorola Moto E20 mobile phone. We're also going to do a speed test of the phone. We're going to open applications, we're going to test out the speed of the phone and see what this phone actually has got. Without further ado, let's open this box and let's get inside. Once you open the box, you'll come across the phone. The Motorola Moto E20 mobile phone, my friends. Inside the box, at the bottom of it, you'll have the manual and the charger itself. We're going to leave them in there for now, and we're just going to concentrate on the phone itself, my friends. So here we are, guys, the Motorola Moto E20 mobile phone. Super thin, super slick, well designed, well engineered, beautiful. It looks beautiful in the hand, fits beautiful in the hand. Super thin, guys. Look how thin that is in my fingers right there. That is looking beautiful, my friends. Beautifully designed, beautifully engineered. Looks great, looks good. At the back, that is the camera itself. And that circle there you see is the fingerprint scanner. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that today to unlock the phone. Instant access. Boom. That unlocks the phone right there. That noise indicates that the phone's open up, and once you've done that, you'll be into the phone, my friends. Check it out. This is my wallpaper that I'm using at the minute. You can use any wallpaper you want. It's got a nice green grassy one there. Look how responsive, guys, this phone is. Super fast, super slick. Look how fast it is, guys. And the reason it's this quick is because it's got an octa-core processor inside this, my friends. That's 8 cores. 8 cores, octa-core processor, super fast, super slick, goes through applications like you would not believe. It's very fast, very responsive, a good phone indeed. Guys, this is an £80 UK sterling phone. To have an octa-core processor in a phone like that is a very good deal, my friends. This is a good bargain deal for your money, for this kind of phone. Super fast, super responsive. We're going to open some applications now and just see how fast this phone actually is. We're going to go into Google and we're going to open Maps. Once you go into Maps, it'll bring up the maps. This is United Kingdom, my friends. This is where I'm from. I'm not going to tell you which town I'm from, but this is where I live in United Kingdom. A beautiful country indeed. We're going to Manchester there, look. A very popular one. In fact, we'll find London. Everyone knows where London is, don't they? Let's have a look. London down here, look. London. But yeah, guys, this is just showing you how fast this phone is. It opens Google Maps, no problem. Goes through the whole country. Norway, Sweden, Finland, Ukraine, Italy, Africa. Everywhere, guys. North America. Opens up applications, no problem at all. We'll come out of there now. But yeah, guys, it's super fast, super responsive. I've actually done a review on this phone on my channel before, but I didn't go into the application speed test. I didn't do anything like that. On that review, I only did the phone and what was inside the actual phone. On this review, I want to do a speed test to show you how fast this phone is, the responsiveness of it, and everything like that. We're going to go into the settings now, and we're going to show you what settings it has. It has network and internet, connected devices, apps and notifications, battery life, display, sound, storage, privacy, location, security, accounts, accessibility, digital well-being and parental control, Google, system updates, rating and feedback, help, system, about phone, Moto E20 there. So there's many settings there for you to play through, to change, to have a look. Network and internet for your Wi-Fi, connected device on the Bluetooth, apps and notifications, battery life, you can change it to extend the battery life, turn everything down or up. Display, the display on the screen is super bright, my friends, for movies and stuff. It's very vibrant, very bright, it looks really good. The sound quality of this phone is very crisp, it's very good for movies, good for YouTube or anything like that. It's quite loud as well, guys. It's got a good sound volume for the price, I'd have to say. Guys, it is a good phone, it really is. privacy, location, security, accounts. Many settings in there for you to play about with to have a look. You also can rearrange the phone on how it looks with these applications. Say if you installed all your applications, you can move them about on the wallpaper like that, guys. Look, and you can put them wherever you want, just how there, however you want it to look. You can modify it, edit it, change it, do whatever you want really to make it look right for you, basically. This phone comes in two colours, guys. A light baby blue and a grey. This is the grey one. Whatever you want, you can go. If you want the blue one, go for the blue one. If you want the grey one, go for the grey one. It's up to you guys, whatever colour you like. No problem, my friends. But yeah, guys, it is a top-notch phone. Guys, this is £80, my friends. £80. For that price, you can't go wrong. I mean, if you compare this phone to the iPhones are extremely expensive, guys. And this phone can do more or less anything than the iPhone can do. It can open all your applications, it can play your games, it can open Google Maps. It can do pretty much everything an iPhone can do. So take that into consideration as well with the price, guys. It is a very decent phone, I have to say. Very fast, very responsive. Opens applications like you would not believe. Quick, bang, responsive, look at that. Bang, instantly in, bang. Very fast, octa-core processor. It's a beautiful phone, guys. I've had this phone now for about a year and a half. And it's just as good as new, guys. It literally is just as good as new. It's still fast, still fat, still looks good. Still responsive, still quick, still nice, still slick. I have to say, I highly recommend this phone, my friends. So that's it. I was just going to show you how fast this phone is, responsiveness of it, how good it looks in the hand, how it fits. It is a very good phone, my friends, and I highly recommend the Motorola Moto E20. If you like the look of it, if you think it's for you, then go get yourself one, guys. Honestly, you will not be disappointed in this phone. Go to the shop right now and go get yourself a Motorola Moto E20, and you will not be disappointed. You will be happy. It's no problem at all, my friends. Right, guys, that's it for the review. That's it for the speed test. That's it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day. Goodbye.